Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be unboxing a Mac Allister 28cm cordless strimmer. Let's see what we get in the box. There's your guard or your shield. Instructions. What do we have in this box? What do we have? Okay. Charging dock. We have the strimmer, or this trimmer. Oops. The reason I went for a Mac Allister and this particular model is because the handle rotates 360 degrees. All the other models tended to have a fixed handle and the actual head rotated either 90 degrees or 180. This will give you more flexibility in how you cut or how you trim your grass edges. That is the unboxing of the cordless grass trimmer. Some people call it a strimmer. Your battery, charging unit, the protection or flower shield, and the trimmer itself. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.